Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and we've got this 2007 Ferrari F430 that we sold last year, and we're actually doing a full Fabspeed header, exhaust, airbox, big install on this. So I'm going to walk you through what parts we're going to be installing, and then we're going to pull in the shop, put it on the hoist, and start to disassemble it and walk you through the whole process. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big boxes from Fabspeed, and I'm going to quickly walk you through what we've got here. So we've got, these look like headers, which absolutely incredible craftsmanship in those. Those look absolutely sick. We got headers there. What have we got here? Oh, this is nice. Carbon fiber air boxes. Those are very nice. Those will look good. And this is cool. Some new carbon fiber tips. Just show you. I think those will look a lot better on the car than the factory. Those in there. What else do we got? These look like maybe the sport cats and some kind of an adapter piece that maybe sits in the middle right about here. Nice engraving with the F430 in it. Some new air filters. And actually, no, this looks like the piece that sits kind of right here in the middle of the car. And some more connector pieces. And there's one more box here. No idea what this is. Oh, this just looks like brackets, that sort of thing. Cool. So let's get this car put on the hoist, and we will show you the disassemble process of the old exhaust and obviously all of this going back in. All right, so we've actually got the majority of the exhaust system removed from the vehicle. I think the only parts we're really still trying to work at is from the headers down and those big cats there, but the rest of the muffler system and the tailpipes and all that you can see is fully out and fully removed. I wasn't able to film anything just because I'm super busy working, so thought I'd do a little catch up here that we're at the halfway point, and hopefully tomorrow maybe I'll be able to get some shots from underneath of those coming out, and then everything going back in. Now, I also messed up and wasn't able to do a video of how this started or how this sounded with the factory exhaust, so I'm gonna insert that here from an old YouTube video so you can hear how the stock F430 exhaust sounded. All right, so we got the under tray off on this F430, and now you can see the headers right here. This is on the left bank, and the headers here on the right bank. So those are gonna come off, and they've got a big cat attached up there. So we're gonna take those off. It actually looks not too difficult with this under tray off. And then I think that's it. I think that's all the OEM parts uninstalled, and we can start the process of installing all the Fabspeed parts. All right, making progress. We now have the new Fabspeed headers in, which you can see down there. Those are an absolute piece of art. Those look absolutely amazing. Super cool, really nice. And now we've just got to connect on the pieces that lead here to like the little muffler and the cross section, get the air boxes back in, and we'll fire this F430 up. All right, we're making great progress. We've got all the connecting pipes in, like I mentioned, these valved pieces, and now the beautiful carbon fiber tips. You can see the Fabspeed writing there. They're all connected, looking really good, really sharp. And I think tomorrow we're just gonna get all the air boxes and everything hooked up. Of course, the Fabspeed carbon air boxes that this comes with now. We are gonna change all the fluids before we start this thing up, and we will have a cold start for you, which I'm looking forward to because I imagine that this exhaust is gonna sound absolutely incredible. So we'll keep you posted tomorrow as we progress with that. Alright, giving this a quick rinse off for our customer, and we've still got some diag to do. Running and idling good, but just not the same throttle response it should, so we'll get that looked at and see what's going on, and keep you guys posted on the status of that. All right, so that is the exhaust install on this F430 coupe. Check out those carbon fiber tips. This thing sounds super aggressive. We are gonna drop this car off at Ferrari, just give a few things a once over because it's been sat here for a couple months, so I think it needs a battery and a little bit of a service. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one.